Hello everyone, welcome to the Code Cloud. My name is Ravi. Today we'll see what are the most basic Terraform commands that a platform engineer usually run in day-to-day life. So the first command is Terraform init. Terraform init command initializes a working directory that contains Terraform configuration files, and this is the first command that should be run after writing a new Terraform configuration or cloning any existing one from version control such as GitHub, Azure DevOps, GitLab, etc. It is safe to run this command multiple times. Basically, Terraform init command initializes the backend, install the provider plugins, and if there is any child module being called, then it install the child module. Let's go to the terminal and see how Terraform init command works. So let's create one Terraform directory in which we will write a basic Terraform configuration file. So mkdir is a Linux command that is used to create a directory in Linux operating system. Terraform. And now change the directory to Terraform. We are inside Terraform directory. There is no file. So let's just create a basic Terraform configuration file. Let's just write it resource block resource null underscore resource. We will learn in detail about the resource in our upcoming lectures. Now let's focus on some basic Terraform commands. So I'm writing a Terraform resource block resource null resource, and let's just write Terraform hello world program. Hello world, curly braces, indentation, two spaces, provisioner, local exec. We'll see the provisioner in detail as well in our upcoming lectures. Command go hello world. So this is the basic Terraform hello world program. Let's just save it. So currently there is nothing in Terraform directory apart from Terraform main.tf configuration file. Now run the Terraform init command, and you can see Terraform init command initializes the backend and an installed HashiCorp /null provider plugin. Now you can see there is one directory and one file created after Terraform init. .terraform directory contains the provider plugin information, and terraform.log.hcl, this file logs the Terraform provider version, which is 3.2.2. When you use Terraform in collaboration, like multiple teams uses the same configuration files, so in that case, this terraform.log.hcl file logs the provider version. The next main command is Terraform validate. The Terraform validate command validates the configuration files in the working directory. Validate runs checks that verify whether the configuration syntax are valid and consistent. It is safe to run this command automatically. The validation command requires an initialized working directory, which means before running Terraform validate command, you have to run Terraform init command. Let's see how Terraform validate command validates the syntax. Let's go to the terminal. We have this Terraform configuration file, and let's see whether this Terraform configuration file has the valid syntax and consistent. Terraform validate, and as we already ran the Terraform init command, so we can run Terraform validate command. Now you can see the syntax are valid in this Terraform configuration file. So let's just try to make some changes in this configuration file, and let's try to run Terraform validate command. Now we made a modification, and you can see the Terraform validate command threw some error, like it was saying the block type is unsupported as we made a change, and the provisioner spelling is not correct. There is some error in the line number 2. So the error handling is quite impressive in Terraform. Now let's update the Terraform configuration file again. Just correct the spelling of provisioners and run the Terraform validate command. Now the configuration is valid. Now let's have a look on next main Terraform command, plan. The Terraform plan command creates an execution plan. You can preview the changes in Terraform plan. The Terraform plan command creates an execution plan. You can preview the changes that Terraform plans to make to your infrastructure. By default, when Terraform creates a plan, it reads the current state of your already existing remote objects to make sure that Terraform state is up to date. Compare the current configuration to the prior state and noting if there is any difference. And it proposes a set of changes that can be applied. If Terraform doesn't detect any changes, then Terraform plan will report that no action need to be taken. Let's see the Terraform plan in terminal. We have this Terraform configuration file for hello world. Let's just write Terraform plan command. So the Terraform plan command showing it is going to create one Terraform resource called hello world. The plan will add one. There is no modification and nothing to destroy. The next main command is Terraform apply. As its name suggests, Terraform apply command just apply the changes in your infrastructure. The Terraform apply command executes the changes proposed in the Terraform plan. Let's see how Terraform apply works in terminal. So we had Terraform plan already. Let's just run Terraform apply. It is showing what changes we are going to have. It is asking whether you want to apply those changes or not. So you have to write yes. Let's just write yes and apply complete. There's one resource added. So the Terraform Hello World program went successful. And if we see inside the current working directory, there is one terraform.tf state file created. This is nothing but the state file of Terraform Hello World program. This state file contains all the information for this Terraform resource. You see what's inside the Terraform state file. The Terraform state file contains the Terraform version, resource type, and name of the Terraform resource. It is also containing the provider version. Let's have a look on last main command of Terraform, which is Terraform destroy. The Terraform destroy command is a convenient way to destroy all the remote objects managed by Terraform configurations. Although it is not recommended to destroy all your objects in production environment, although it is not recommended to destroy all your Terraform objects in a one go in our existing Hello World program. Terraform destroy. Now it is proposing all those changes in the terminal, like it is going to destroy our hello world resource. So nothing to add, nothing to change, and one to destroy. And if I type yes, it just destroyed everything. And let's just see what comes inside the Terraform directory. In the directory, we got one more TF state backup. And if we see what is inside existing Terraform state, there's nothing because our Terraform hello world resource is being destroyed. So these are the main Terraform commands. Without them, Terraform cannot function its operations. We'll see other Terraform commands in our upcoming lectures.